Hi, my name is Molly McSorley. I'm a third grade teacher at Kennedy School, and I love music, and I love to teach through music. So last summer I applied for a grant through a non-for-profit organization called Little Kids Rock, and was lucky enough to be the recipient of guitars for my classroom. So it's been a privilege to teach these wonderful students up here guitar this year, and to embed it in the curriculum. And it's been even cooler to watch all the ways that they've grown academically, developmentally, socially. But even more, it's been pretty awesome watching them grow together as a team, as a class, and as a band. So without further ado, I present to you the Fireworks, Little Kids Rock, and they're going to perform Three Little Birds by Bob Marley.